Hey, Spence. It's me again. Why haven't you called me back? And where are you on a Saturday morning at 10 o'clock? I need to talk to you.
Hanna? I thought that was you.
Hi, Mrs. DiLaurentis.
How are you doing?
Good. You've been doing a lot of work.
Well, everything I did yesterday was undone by an angry raccoon, or whatever's living under that porch. Can I ask you something? If I fill that area in with iceberg roses, will it make the gray shingles look stodgy?
I don't really have an opinion.
Really? God knows Alison would. Now I'll clump the whites over here.
What was that?
That was a gift from my late mother-in-law. Come, meet Tippi.
I can't keep coming back.
It's uncanny, isn't it? Careful what you say around her. May come back to haunt you.
What a sweet potato.
No, Tippi, we don't. I'm guessing Mother D asked her that 50 times a day.
Miss me?
God, she sounds just like Allie.
When she went to Georgia, she spent more time with that bird than she did her grandmother. They shared a room. Don't worry, sweetie. I don't think she taught her hefty Hanna.